We used to have trees all along on both sides. During a really bad windstorm, all the trees got knocked over. Oh my goodness! Like a complete war zone through here. We couldn't pass. Steven was trying to get home from work.
You better run! Steven, this is so bad!
With the destruction of the trees though, that gave us the ability to mill the lumber. That's what the milk shed is. That's what all of our fence lines are here. That's what the goat shed is here. And we're able to clear out this space now for pasture.
Did you get that on video?
Woo! Yeah, I did. Behind you!